Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet these arms for your lovey so they can go on any lovey pattern that I've got on my channel. So all you're going to need is some white and whichever main colour you're doing, some scissors, a 3mm hook and a yarn needle. Okay. To start, I'm going to take my white yarn to make the paw, make a slip knot, chain 2, and then I'm going to put 4 single crochets in the first chain that we made. Okay, pull the tail tight, and the next row I'm going to increase from 4 to 6. So I'm going to make 1 single crochet, one increase in the next stitch, one single crochet, and one increase in the last stitch. Okay, so you should have 6 single crochets around. In the next row we're going to increase to 8. So I'm going to do 2 single crochets, one in the first stitch, one in the second stitch. Next I'm going to put an increase, and then I'm going to repeat that again, so 2 single crochets and an increase. Okay, now that I have 8 single crochets around, I'm going to make a thumb. You don't have to make one, but they're pretty easy. So just chain 3 and then go back into that last single crochet that you made through the front loop and through the loop on the side and slip stitch. Okay, I'm going to slip stitch to the next stitch, and I'm going to change to my main color. Okay, so just chain 1. And knot the 2 ends together. Cut the white yarn And then to finish off the arm, you just want to do 17 rows of 8. So I'm going to go back into the one that we slip stitched into, single crochet, so just 1 in each stitch for 17 rows. And when you get to the thumb, just put your single crochet in here. And then just work behind the thumb, pull it down, and single crochet into that first stitch. Pull it tight. Okay, so just 1 in each stitch for a total of 17 rows. Okay, so this is how it looks after my 17 rows. Doesn't take too long. The next thing you want to do is slip stitch to the next stitch. And cut your yarn long enough to stitch it on. Pull it through. Okay, so I line everything up and then I stitch the arms on underneath. And then I stitch the head onto the blanket. Right in the center. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.